In my Binance cryptocurrency exchanger, I literally go ahead and spot this particular cryptocurrency right here, showing on this screen right now. And I buy this particular cryptocurrency with 500 USDT. It gives me this particular amount of token right here. Then I literally go straight to my gate.io just like this. I literally go ahead and look for the specific token again, and then I literally sell it out at this particular price right here. Okay, so I literally get 3 USDT plus my 500 USDT right here, making it 503 USDT right here. So in this particular single transaction, I earn 3 USDT. So that is how I literally accumulate enough money right here in this my Binance account right here. This particular money right here that you are seeing right now on my Binance account right here, I literally earn this particular money just by this specific simple method right here, and I'll show you all the methods step by step so that you too can literally do all these with ease. Okay, so let me refresh it right now, take a look at it right here. So I did not just do it once, I do it multiple times. Okay, so let's say I literally use this particular 500 USDT to get profit of 3 USDT, and I literally do this like 10 to 20 times a day. I do it for a week. With that, you have the full opportunity to literally earn even more than this, or probably lesser than, this cryptocurrency. Everything is volatile right here. Okay, so listing this, actually a disclaimer, this is not a quick risk segment. Just go ahead and do your due diligence investigation and research about this particular cryptocurrency trading right here. Cryptocurrency is volatile, it can dump at any time, it can pump at any time, so make sure everything right here is at your own risk. Okay, so I'm not responsible for your profit or your losses right here while trading on this particular method that I'm going to share with you right here in this particular video. Okay, so now let's just begin so that I can show you step by step on how you can do all these if you literally want to learn. Now just go straight to this particular Chrome browser right here. Okay, so if you literally go ahead and search for this particular arbitrage scanner, don't worry yourself by searching, just go straight to the pin comment or in the video description. Go ahead and click on the link right there. Okay, if you click on it, you will not just go ahead and see all these particular signals right here. Okay, because these particular tools right here show me where to buy low and the specific cryptocurrency, and the other cryptocurrency exchanger to sell high, and it will show me the profit that we're making right here, and it will also show me the speed. Okay, but this particular arbitrage scanner, you need to go ahead and purchase or subscribe it. Okay, so but normal subscription on YouTube channel right here is free. This one right here, if you use my particular link on this my description, you will literally get discount. Yes, so just go ahead and sign up an account and then go ahead and click on subscription right here. Go ahead and subscribe to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. So the money to subscribe right now is literally simple. Now you can actually go ahead for 3 months, 6 months right here, or probably 1 year right now. So make sure you use the link on this video description, and if you literally use the link, my promo code is available right there. You actually have a discount out of this particular price right here. So this particular tools is very useful. These particular tools are literally used to spot all those particular arbitrage opportunities. So immediately you literally sign up an account right there, click on arbitrage protect, make sure you go ahead and click on arbitrage scanner right here. Okay, so it's new year, you can literally hear bangers around. Now go ahead and click on templates right here, go ahead and click on top cryptocurrency right here. Okay, you are set and good to go. Scroll down right here, just go ahead and look for any cryptocurrency pair. Go ahead and look for the crypto exchange to buy it at a low price, and go ahead and look for the cryptocurrency that you usually go ahead and sell higher price. So with this particular tool, I spot that particular opportunity where I literally go ahead and buy this particular token right here on my Binance account right now. Okay, so let me go ahead and change this particular to exchanger right here. I bought it right here just by using that particular arbitrage scanner with 500 USDT right here. I get this particular amount of this token, and then I literally go ahead and click on wallet right here, and I click on send, I click on chain right here. I search for the particular token again, then I literally go ahead to gate.io just like this, then I go ahead to asset right here and go ahead to deposit, then I just go ahead to on chain, then I go ahead and search the particular token or coin, then I just go ahead and select the particular network. I click on the wallet address, I go straight to Binance after I purchased it right there, and just go ahead and paste it right here. Okay, so take a look at this right now. The transaction network fee is very low, so before you literally go ahead and carry out all this particular arbitrage opportunity, you just have to go ahead and do a demonstration so that you can see how the network fees is, or how you can actually make some profit out of this. So after then, you usually go ahead and send it straight to the other exchanger to sell it in a higher price. So immediately the money reach to this particular exchanger, which is gate.io right now, just go straight to trading right here, go ahead and click on sell, make sure you are in the specific cryptocurrency, then you find money right here in this place, then just go ahead and click on all, make sure you sell all the particular cryptocurrency out so that you can literally earn profit out of this. Okay, so now make sure you verify all the cryptocurrency exchanger before you go ahead and use it. Make sure all your cryptocurrency exchanger are verified just like this. Okay, can you take a look at it? My own is also verified right here. Even my own Binance account scan right now is also verified. Make sure it is verified to avoid issue that touches the heart. So if you like this kind of content, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this specific video, share it to your loved one if you literally want to make cool money from cryptocurrency trading right here. So I'm literally showing you a lot of updates, and then stay tuned. I will be dropping content concerning how you can make money on the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So if you don't have money to literally go ahead and subscribe to that tools right here, there's a free trial. If you literally use my link, yes, that is sure. So that free trial will just last for some days, but probably if you don't literally have any money or have time to literally go through all these particular arbitrage scanner right here, scanning a specific cryptocurrency, okay, you can just go ahead and stay tuned on this particular channel so that you can be getting cryptocurrency updates right here on how you can literally trade. Okay, so you know this particular arbitrage scanner, one thing I love about this is that it literally scans the particular cryptocurrency every second. So every second it's load. Now let me just put it on 10 seconds right here or 15 seconds right now. You can look at it, it will be loading time to time and searching the cryptocurrency ecosystem so that you can see any cryptocurrency that is down in a particular exchanger and higher in a particular exchanger, and then it will give us signal right here so that we can place the trade. Okay, so take a look at it right now. It have loaded again. Other cryptocurrency have pop up and opportunity is always available right here. So that is actually a good way to literally make money in cryptocurrency. Okay, so this is not a financial advisor. I'm not collaborated with all this particular arbitrage scan. I'm just telling you what I'm using. Okay, so this is actually a secret of making money on cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now I'll end this video right here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Peace out. Happy New Year, guys. You know, this January.